Friends, before starting the video, I want to warn you that if you join any company before doing any investigation about that company, we do not advise you to invest money in any company. If there is any kind of cheating, loss or gain, Digital Rozgar will not contribute to it.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Friends, today I am presenting attractive and victorious plan. Friends, today's concept is very unique to others because of user can earn more than 2 lakh. So guys, don't delay, let's see the plan. Name of the company is BTT Insure. This is dynamic BTT smart contract. One more important thing is that of this company, friends, if any users does not receive any income till 1 week, then user will start gaining 1% daily ROI of package amount till the time the user did not get any income like level, global pool and team income. Friends, now we talk about companies. It's provide decentralized market participants as well as personal and business transaction. It built on BitTorrent on Tron blockchain and smart contract technology. BTT Torrent supported by multiple services including DeFi and online gaming. Now I'll tell you why BTT Insure. It's many reasons like fast execution, safety of funds, peer-to-peer, auto withdrawal facilities available 24/7 hours. Now question is that how it will be work. High throughput, high scalability, high availability, it's more reliable network structure. Now user wants to know its joining amount. Investor have to invest only 1200 BTT, but it's many packages. First one 1200 BTT, second one 2500 BTT, third one 5000 BTT, fourth one 10,000 BTT and fifth one 20,000 BTT. Sixth package is 50,000 BTT and last one 1 lakh BTT. You can choose any package according to your wish and budget. As soon as join, then user will take 6 type of pros. First one direct income, level income, global pool income, sponsor income, insurance income, team pool income. Firstly, we talk about 1200 package and income. This smart contract will divide income. Here you can see 200 BTT in direct income, 200 BTT in level income, 400 BTT in global pool income, 200 BTT in insurance income and 200 also goes to in team pool income. Friends, once user will complete the pool cycle, then you have to reinvest again. And one important thing is that if any user does not receive any income till 1 week, then user will start gaining 1% daily ROI of package amount till the time the user did not get any income like global pool, team income and level income. Friends, user can earn in global pool income 19,480 BTT and 1900 BTT earned by team pool income. Third one level income in which 20 level and investor can get 10 BTT in each level. Next one I would like to tell you about 2500 BTT package which you have by all investment will get as you can see chart, and sponsor income will goes to second level income. One interesting thing is that I did not get income till then user will receive 1% daily ROI. It's amazing guys. Now I will tell you its 2500 package income. Firstly I'll tell you global pool income. When 2 users come in this, then income will get 15 BTT and your total income will be 30 BTT. Similarly 4 members come by these 2 members. Here your income by per member 15 BTT. Your total income will be 60 BTT. Your team will be built, then your income increase according to team, in which total team of 64 member and user can get 40,960 BTT. So your total income will be 42,710 BTT. Nextly I'll tell you team pool income, in which also 2 users come, then per member income of 20 BTT. Total income will be 40 BTT. By these 2 members give member in down, then here team of 4 members 20 BTT will get by per member. Your income will be 80 BTT. Your team will be built and its target will be complete, then user will be gain 23,000 BTT income by this. Next one level income. In this also level your direct will be worked, then team will be built. In every level user will get 20 BTT. Here total 20 levels. Nextly I'll tell you about 5,000 BTT package and income. It will be also divide incomes in all like 600 BTT in direct income, 800 BTT in level income as you can see in this chart. But here sponsor income goes to third level applying. All process will be same to above 1200 packages. 5,000 package income, see here, like global pool income, in which also user can get income if this team complete, then total income is 85,420 BTT, and team pool income, your total income will be 46,000 BTT. Third level income, in which you will be gain 40 BTT in each level. 10,000 BTT package, and same here also all investment will be divided incomes, and sponsor income goes to fourth level upline, and all process same to above packages, like 1% get daily ROI. Till then you didn't get income. 10,000 package income, see here, like global pool income, in which user can get income if this team complete, then total income is 1,70,840 BTT, and team pool income is 92,000 BTT, and third level income, in which also 75 BTT in each level. 20,000 BTT package and income, here also all investment will be divided income, and sponsor income goes to fifth upline, and all process same to above packages. Friends, all income process will be same to above, like 50,000 BTT package and 1 lakh BTT package. Also same in which sponsor income will be goes to 6th level upline, and in 1 lakh BTT package sponsor income will be goes to 7th level upline, and global pool income, team pool income, level income will be same to above. Now we see how to activate your ID. Firstly, user have to download app like Token Pocket, Tron Link Pro, Tron Wallet, and Clever, etc. After that, you have to update fund, that is BTT, in the wallet equal to packages. Investor have to use DApp browser, open link, and select amount according to your wish. Then your registration will be complete. Guys, this smart contract is very interesting. So, and your all information I'll provide in description box. Don't delay, hurry up for join. Now we meet in next video with new MLM plan. Till then, take care. Bye bye guys.